right, today we're gonna bring two cables, Type C to Type C, along with their bricks. If you guys can see that, so it is a Type C to Type C. The fast charging brick, along with the cable, they give you a long cable. So we're gonna go test it out and see the speeds of it. I'm gonna connect one end here, and then we'll plug it in, and we're going to plug in a tester too to see the meter to see how fast it is. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Test it out, see how fast it will charge a phone. So right now we're going to test out the meter, and we're going to make sure that this thing's on, and it comes on right now, and we are at 8, 7.9, 12 now. So this is a fast charging station. It's at 12, 812. We're able to go from 5 volts to from 5 watts to 12 watts. So it's not bad. It's a fast charging connection right now. So we're also able to charge other devices. We're going to change our power bank. We have a power bank here that we're going to charge. Let's see how fast we can charge the power bank too. And right now we are at 17.4. That is fast charging. Now 16. So it is supercharging this device quick with the brick. And you could fluctuate from different devices too, as long as you have this fast charging cable. And of course, they give you a set of two. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.